Today we're going to change the battery on a 2018 Toyota Rav4 key fob. All you need to do that is a battery. It's a 2016. I bought this off Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below, and a small flathead screwdriver. First thing you need to do, turn the fob over and you're going to find a little slot right here. You're going to stick your screwdriver in and kind of pry to release the case. Get inside. Once in, you take out this little block which has the battery inside of it. Now with the buttons facing up, there's these two grooves here, and you're going to try to pry your screwdriver underneath and twist a little bit to release it on two of them. And then you can pop out the battery. Once in here, you want to slide your battery forward to pull out your old one. Now you take your new one, slide that right inside. Now put that back inside the case. Put your cover back on. Slide it back inside the fob, turn it over, push down. You're good to go. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.